Take a ride in the 2020 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.